In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add contact form in Car.go website. If you want visitors to reach you without exposing your email address, a contact form is the simplest, most professional solution. All you need is access to your Car dashboard and the site you want to edit. Once you're in, head to Car.so and log into your account so you can open the site in the builder. You'll land on your dashboard where you can see all your sites at a glance. Choose the site where you want the form to live and open it in the editor so we can add the form right where it makes the most sense, like your home page or a dedicated contact section. Inside the builder, look for the Add control to insert a new element. This is how you bring in anything new: text, images, buttons, and in our case, a form. Click Add, and from the element list that appears, select Form. Card will drop a form block onto your canvas and open its settings panel so you can configure it right away. In the form settings, find the type option and switch it to Contact. This tells Card to use the standard contact layout with fields like name, email, and message, and to treat submissions as inquiries. It's a clean, familiar format for your visitors and ensures messages are sent to the destination defined in your site's form settings. If you're using a plan that supports email handling or integrations, this is where those settings will be respected. Next, decide what should happen after someone submits the form. You have two friendly choices. If you want to keep the user on the same page, set a success message under Display a Message. Write something short and helpful like, "Thanks for reaching out, your message has been sent." If you'd rather continue the conversation elsewhere, choose Redirect to a URL and paste the link to a thank you page or another destination. A redirect is great when you want to provide next steps, such as viewing FAQs or booking a call. When you're happy with those choices, click Done to close the settings and lock in your changes. Your form is now placed on the page and configured to respond the way you want after submission. From here, you can adjust its position and style the same way you would any element in Card, keeping spacing readable and labels clear so it's easy for visitors to fill out. That's all there is to it. You've added a functional, user-friendly contact form to your Card site, complete with a thoughtful